Hi friends, let me show you this new portable Pickleball net that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, you can bring it with you really easily with this bag. Okay. The net itself, it's really nice, it's really strong. Okay. It has all the Velcro and the, accessories that you need to put it together, okay? And you get the user manual, all the assembly instructions, okay? It's a large net, you'll see when we put it together. And let me tell you that all the assembly parts, all the frame parts are metal parts, everything. So it'll result in a more strong net when you are going to play with it. All the parts have numbers, so you know exactly how to put it together. It's really, really easy. You will see. Let's try it on. As you can see, it was super easy to put together this Pickleball net. You can put it anywhere you want, in any floor, in any flat surface, even in the grass. And you can play Pickleball wherever you want. It's easy to put together. It's it's the official size of a Pickleball net, so it's great. And when you're ready, you can put everything in this bag and bring it with you. So this is a great way to have fun with family, with friends, anywhere, in your home, in the park, in the beach, in the school, wherever you want to play Pickleball for a little while. Thank you.